So guys, welcome back. So this is what we have before. Let me draw this. This is what we have before. So I've tried to modify this and change some little things. I don't know. This looks ugly to me. So that's why it's always good to have a design before you work. Else you'll be having something that is not really nice. So I've tried to modify this. I think I added more text to my lorem. Then I changed some stuff here. So this is the new result I'm having now. I think this is far better than this, right? So this is the new result I have now. I changed this I change this background from white to dark. Then I give this more spacing. Look at it before. I give it more spacing. Okay. I change this image also, and I also add more text to this. And I brought this down. That is margin top. Brought this down a little bit. So let's continue. I want to do something here. This is my line height. This is my text. I want to give it a line height. Sorry, 0.5 mm. Oh, that's too small. I'll give it 1.5. Okay, good. It has separated it. I want to change the font size also. It's too small. This is okay. Let me change the font family. I don't know. It looks like a typewriter. I don't like this. I actually don't like this. Let me call it back. Let me just read. Let's read sans serif or area. This area is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So that is all for our home page. So let's move on. Let's go to the next section. The next section says about us. So how do we break this down? How do we break this down? We have to have something that wants to write something about us. So I'll be using more of Lorem Pixels. So let's do H2, H1, then about us. Okay. So I should have a div here, the class with an ID, sorry, ID of about us. So okay. What else again? I don't know if you just do this text align, then we have chunks of what's there, but to be too much. It will be too much. So let me see. Let's see what we can do. Okay, about me. What if you add another image here? Or if you just put it in your nine text and about two buttons. Let's do nine text P. So we're doing your 50. Remember, these are dummy text. I don't know why this is not breaking. Let's use format now. I don't know why it's not going. Okay. Okay, so I have around 100 also. Okay. What else can we do? Let's add another P. I just want to have as much as possible 200. This much. Okay. 20. I think it's okay. So good. Let me save. Let's see what we have. Okay. 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 So let's have a button also. A button. A button of read more. Let me see what we have. Okay. Now let's try this. First of all, I want to give it a spacing. So I'll give it let me call the class first. Control C. So I'll call the class margin top 50 pixels. Let's give a margin left and right 50, 50 pixels also. Or let me just, since everything is the same, let's just have it as one then. Let's see what we have. I'll change the font size. Oh, let me see. Okay, okay, okay. Let me give margin left and right. 50 pixels, margin right. 50 pixels. Okay, good. What am I going to call? Inside about us, we have an ID. Let me call my H1. And my H1. I give a font size 40. Sorry, this is a mistake. 40 pixels. Okay, color red. Okay, I'll give a font family. I'll give the font weight 900. I want to align to center. Text align center. So, okay, this is looking good. Okay. So now my paragraph inside about us, you have the P. Okay. This is my paragraph. I should call this paragraph and start giving them same line height. We'll be having problem. Let's see what happens. Margin top 15 pixels. If you want to take for all of them. Okay, let me just give you this margin button there. Margin bottom of 10 pixels. So you can push it down a little. Okay, good. This is okay. So I'll give it a line height. So the text will be readable. Line height. Line height should be, let's give it 2 too much. 1.5. Yeah, it's okay. Font size 18 pixels. Okay, it's good enough. These jumps are getting much, so I just have to reduce them. Let me call this first P. Okay, good. Um, what else can we do? Okay, font summary. Hmm. Okay. This is okay then. Okay. Let's start our button. I want to start my button here. So I'll do about us and button. Uh, Margin. Let's first give it a width. 50 pixels. 100. Like you want it to be very big. Okay. Height. Or let's just give the padding. 15 pixels. Margin top. 15 pixels. background color red, border one pixel solid red, and the border radius 10 pixels. So yeah, okay. My padding, let me show my padding strength. Yeah. Okay, good. Um, I want to change the color, text color to white. Change the font size to 20 pixels. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know if you just leave it here or if you push to the center. I think it's okay like this too. Okay. What I want to do, yeah, I want to teach us how to hover. So first of all, let's do it for this our IME. This is our first button. Let me check. So I'll copy this to see. So I'll go on that. So I'll add over. So now, whenever I hover on this button, anything I see here, it will happen. So when I hover, I want to change the background color. Let's say black. That will happen now. Then I want to change the color. What is okay? So let's do like that. If I over now, can you see? Can you see? Okay, I want to change the cursor to also the cursor to pointer. Cursor, I want to change to pointer. So if I do cursor pointer. So now whenever I hover, can you see? It's pointing at it. Okay, and I want to do this again. I want to change the border 1 pixel solid. By default it's dark, so I don't need to simplify. Can you see now? Okay. What I want to do? Let's start the border radius again. Sorry, please a mistake. Border radius. Okay, should have, let's say 20 pixels. That's what I see now. Okay. I think it's okay. So I'll just copy this. I'll copy this now since I want to have the same thing. Just see. So I'll come here and do it for this my last button. About us button over. We'll still talk about pseudocode soon. So I should do like this. Can you see now? I'm having the same thing. It works the same way. Okay, good. I think this is getting better. Yeah. Okay. So I want to make it as simple as possible. What should we do again? The last one is contact. This contact now, I want us to have a form, or we should just add one more thing. Let's add services. Let's add a services. So I make use of this our cards. I've not done anything on cards before, so I want to make use of like this. See, it's not responsive. When we start talking about media query, then we talk about the responsiveness of a site. By this, is not responsive, but on desktop, it's okay. Okay, now let's move on, guys. I want to have another section here before the contact. So I want to call it section. I'll give it a class of services. Okay. So I want to add one more li, so one more list li services. Okay, good. Show something here now. Good. Let the contact be the last and the services should be the okay. Let me cut this and put it here. Okay. Now I want to, let's say this is our service now. We're having different cards. Yeah, we'll make use of grid system. So first have a diff, or let me just first have each one. Call this services. Okay, okay. First name is in your old div. I don't know how to forget this. ID of services. So on each one. Okay. Address. We have something here. Then I want to have a text. Pixels. Or just 20. So align this to the center. Yeah, now I want to have something again. Let's create a div for our cards. Then another div for card one, card two, card display. This should be an ID. Sorry. Okay. So my first card, I want to have I don't know if you should have the picture here. So I don't know if I just gonna get a picture or if you just go it that way. Let's add the picture. Let me get some pictures. So I've got a couple of images here. Right now. Okay. Now good. Let me inside this now. I have different div. Three. Okay, I have one already, so sorry. So I want to first have my image, img, image, and serve one. Okay, good. I'll be the attention of serve img. I don't know if okay, this is okay. Now inside this, I want to have text. I want to have a text on H2. First have is web development. Okay. I want to have this P, the P tag with lorem. Let's do lorem 25. Okay, good. And I want to have a button at last. A button, a read more button. So I call read more. Okay, this is good. I think that is all for now. So first of all, my services, let me call it and give it a okay margin top of 50 pixels. So to bring down. Okay, good. Um, I'll give you margin right and left. Yes. Since I want to give everything 50 now. And let's separate this very well. So I'll give it 80. Okay, so I'll give it 150. And margin left. I'm already to left, so let me change it to right. So I have 50 pixels. So, okay, this is good. Uh, Now let me call this my ID. So inside my services, I have the header and P. So okay, what do I want to do now? I want to call this my services, then the H1 my services and the P. So I'll do services. Then first time my H1. Uh, okay, font size 2 pixels. Text online center. Okay, font width of 700. Can't change colors to red also. Good. I'll give it a margin bottom. And it's okay. Let me call my services and p tag. I think this one to apply to all of them. Let me see. I know how to text align center. I know this one to apply to all of them. But I still want it to be at center though. Font size. Font size to 18 pixels. That is so good. Oh, sorry. 18, not 18. Okay. Line height 1.5. So this is looking, I want to match it up. Or maybe to 15 pixels. Okay, good. Now let's start our card. I have my cards. I'll use it to change to display. So let me do cards. Yeah, I'll do display. Grid. Okay. Grid template column. Repeat. Okay, I'll give repeat autofill. Autofill min max. Min max. Let me give you 300 pixels, 1 FR. Okay, good. I want to give it a gap also. Gap of 2 should be okay. We should call this a grid gap too. Okay. Now let's start our card now. Let's make the card. I'll use it to make this card display. So ID of card display or inside my card, inside cards, I have card display. For display. Let me try display now. Let's see. Okay, good. This one. Okay, now I want to have a width. I want to have a width of 200 pixels. Is that not too much? Is that too small? Maybe 300. Okay, background color, height of let's use 30 VH. VH means view height. If it is width, you can do 30 width too. That is width height too. So view height. So it's now let me have it to background color. Answer color should be background color. What happened? I'm not seeing anything. Should change color. Is there a mistake anywhere? Let me see. Okay, so guys, this didn't show because this image has covered what I'm doing. So let me increase this height to 400. Okay, good. I'll change the color to white. Text color to white. Okay. And so this is a card now. I see this is a card. So I want to what else I want to do again? Looking nice, looking nice, looking nice, looking nice. I don't know if the catch can be let's do it like this too. Let's give this image a width. It's too small. Okay, now I can see. I'm change to 300. 300 should be okay. So I just want to have a width. 300 is actually the main. Okay. Uh, what does you want to do? I want to align this my header H2, my H2. So I'll call this H2 and put it in center. Call display H2 to see. So I'll do So I will test online center. Yeah, okay. I'll change the color and I'll give it the margin top 10 pixels. So I'll change font size to 30 pixels. So it's bigger. Okay. Now I think this our text is okay. So if I want to change it back 400, let me change it to 52. Now this my button. I'll just start my button, read my button. So I'll do card display button. So I'll give it a width of 100 pixels. I don't know if it's too small. It's okay. The padding of 15 pixels. That's much. Let me give it 10, 10, 15. Okay, I have to align to the center. So I want to give it a margin. Let me push it a little bit. So margin left, 50 pixels. That's what um, just 16. Okay, margin top 10 pixels. Now let's change the background color. Background color red, color towards white, and other 1 pixel solid. Okay, let me do a put another flash. Um, Border radius 5 pixels. Okay, good. Okay, let me do my pointer again. When I over on this, so you can have it. Control C. Over. Margin background color to white. This is text to black. Okay, so we're over now. Okay, go down 1 pixel solid. By default, this is dark, so I'll now indicate. So you can see. I think this is good now. Let me change this to 80. Okay, this is okay. So this is a card now. I want to have multiple of this card, so can just do Control C, Control C. I'll just copy from here, from this my, let me see, here are section there. From this card, no, this card display now to this button, to the last div. So I'll do Control C. So I'll just paste it, Control V, and the last one, Control V. So let's see what happens. Can you see now? I have three different cards. So I'll start changing the contents of each card now. I want to give my cards a margin top, card display, margin top of 20 pixels. So let me see. Okay, I think it's okay like this though. Let me use this. So let's change the content of each card. Okay, first I'll change the image of this one. So have two. Okay, I'll change the image of this one too. Just have three. So three. So I think the images are different with, so let me reduce their sizes. Let's change this to 200. Let's just change this to 200. It's too small. So 250 is okay. 300. I have to go back and I have to call them and style them to give them a this to have the same height. Both are 300 for different heights. So first, let me change the words. Web development. Let's have graphic design. Okay, and the last one, let's have web design. Okay, this image is pushing it. It's too big. So let me call all image. I think I give them ID. I didn't give them ID, so I'll have to change, remove all this and give them an ID of card IMG. So all of them will be the same. You see? Sorry, I didn't copy everything finish. Let's see, so I'll change this to V changes. V. So now let me call them ID of card image. Our width will be 100%. So I want them to fill everywhere. 100%. Okay. And our eyes, so I'll change the eyes. 200 pixels. It's too big. So let's use 150 then. Can you see now? Everything is the same. So that's why it's good to give it an idea and style them. So I think we are good now. I want to push this to the bottom a little bit. Um, margin top 50. Okay, that's good then. Can you see? So now, what we discussed then, can you see? Can you see? This work of grid. Okay, let me reduce the gap. Ba 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 ba. Gap. Where's display? This gap. Let's just 1.5 or 20 pixels. I love using pixels though. 20 pixels. Okay. Okay. So what else? The last part should be, let's look at our last section. Our last section, we have contact. In this contact, I want us to have a form. I don't know if you can have a form there. Then, or if you just, mm, let's do something. I don't know how I want to do it. Or if you just close the footer. Let's have a form. Div of contact. This one, I want to have a form. My form tag. Okay. Inside this my form. Sorry, why is it drop? Inside this my form now. This video is getting longer. I don't know. Let's close up this one for now. Let's do the footer. Let's close this down. Tab. Our footer is always div of footer. That's footer. Okay. Our footer background is mostly dark. So do footer, and I'll call the margin top 50 pixels. With the background color of Okay, good. Now this is my footer now. Footer always combine about me, stuff like that, or I can just choose the normal copyright footer. Okay, what are now? Portfolio. So let's give it an H1. I'll put my portfolio again. Okay, good. I want to have a text. So Peter for 10. I want that bit text 10. Okay, good. Now let me save. I won't say anything because the color is black, so let me change the color. My text color to white. So I'm saying something now. Text align center. Okay. I want everything to be in the center. So the last one, I want to have a copyright. P with copyright. So I think my copy. Sorry, it should be and copy. That copyright. And copy will be copyright. Copyright 2022. My portfolio. I can see. So yeah, good. Now let me inside my I have a ID of footer. So let's break this down. ID of footer. Then margin top and 50 pixels. Now okay. Footer. This footer. So it's class. Not an ID. Okay, I come each one. Why is this not pushing? A glass of footer, which one? Font size 40 pixels. Color white. Why is Magic Top not working? Okay, that's it. So now it's done. Font size 40 pixels. This is okay. Font family. Font family of then good. Now my footer text. Inside footer, my footer is in footer. So I do line 9, 1.1.5. Font family times Roman. Times Roman. Then margin top 10 pixels each, so you can separate. So now I think that is that for footer. So I want to let's do some things over cards. Let's use the border radius. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yes, I should add this border radius for our image also, so to not cover it up. Where's our image? Okay, so now we have it. And see now. Okay, guys, I think that is all for today. Yeah. So when we start applying, if we apply, when we start talking about animation and transitions, whereby we can hover on it and it will display, or when we load this, it will display. Then when we hover on this, it will pop up or just shake a little bit. Those are the work of animation. So I think that is that for now. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys.